So hello, welcome to Santa's letter. This is part of the 3-week project for Write to Santa. Okay. So let's write to Santa. So, dear Santa.
Dear Santa.
My name is.
My name is.
My name is Heather.
Okay.
My name is Ben.
Okay, so this year I have been naughty or nice? Heather, have you been naughty or nice?
Naughty.
A little bit naughty.
A little bit naughty?
But nice.
Okay. So, Heather. Naughty or nice?
Nice.
Nice? Okay. And we have Ben. Ben, have you been naughty or nice?
Nice.
Nice?
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
So, for Christmas.
For Christmas.
This year. I would like.
Ooh.
What would you?
I would like a bike.
A bike?
Like a bike.
Okay.
I would like a bike.
Let's put it here. And Ben, what would you like for Christmas?
I would like. No. I would like.
Chien.
Is it a dog?
Small.
A puppy?
Small dog.
A puppy?
A puppy.
Okay.
I would like a puppy.
So I would like a puppy.
A puppy. Yes.
Okay.
I would like a puppy.
So, Merry Christmas, Santa.
Merry Christmas, Santa.
Love.
Love Heather. Love Heather.
Okay.
Naughty. Completely naughty.
No!
Naughty. She's naughty.